You searched how to buy shares of Luxurban Hotels Inc. Luxurban operates urban boutique hotels and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker LUXHQ. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Open the platform search and type the ticker LUXHQ to find Luxurban Hotels Inc. Confirm the listing that shows NASDAQ and the LUXHQ ticker to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that reflects recent trading. Double-check the company name, exchange, and ticker to confirm this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. After the trade fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example link and resources, check the description below.